Okay, class, it's story time.
I want to give a dead card.
Why want a give Diamond Joyce Boyds?
And A will hand for 292 for Christmas. Hey, 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 hey.
Hello, and his cat. I got a dead card.
Go to principal office.
Yay, may I? Got Diamond Rio.
Go to principal office. But least not the one is for Luna Cat. Oh no, is the his hand for Christmas. Yes, they got a hand for Christmas. Cat, you're 292 for Christmas. That is so you're get a F. You're failed Christmas. Now go straight principal's office right now.
Oh no, the teacher is.
By hand card. Cat, what begin to hear? I got a 292 for Christmas. Because I got funny prank. Oh my god, Cat, this is not a funny prank. That it? You are expelled. Go home right now and I will tell Mom, Dad, Gabby, Dia, Black Cat and White Cat about this. What you did, a grateful white cat.
Oh no, the teacher is.
Cat, how dare you hand 292 movie for Christmas?
Dad is right, Cat. Giving hand 292 movie on Christmas was not funny.
By Mom, Dad, Gabby, Di, Black Cat, and White Cat. I am really sorry.
We don't care. You're grounded for 192,828 weeks.
Go to your room right Fitbin now.
And don't even cry like a fippin' baby or else I will cyber issues to give a tubble constant until you die.